When you search for best hand mixer, everything looks the exact same. Same buttons, same beaters, same plastic body. But to understand which one actually mixes better, lasts longer, or won't fly apart mid-recipe, you have to look past the photos and dig into what real bakers actually care about. Product number 1, Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Basic. Let's start with this Hamilton Beach 6-Speed electric hand mixer. It's a budget-friendly option at $27.95, and it caught my eye because it's simple, clean, and comes with a snap-on storage case, something most cheap mixers don't include. If you want a no-fuss mixer that won't clutter your drawers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 250-watt motor handles everyday tasks like whipping cream, mixing cake batter, or stirring cookie dough without overheating. The 6 speeds give you real control, low for folding in flour, high for fluffy meringues. Plus, the bowl rest feature keeps the mixer from tipping over, which means less mess and fewer sticky countertops. And with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly doing something right for home bakers. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially when mixing thick dough. Here's the thing though, if you're not making heavy bread dough daily, this mixer holds up just fine. It's not built like a tank, but it doesn't need to be for occasional use. This is perfect for you if you're a casual baker who wants reliable performance without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're making stiff doughs regularly, you'll want something sturdier. But for the price, solid value. Product number 2, OVENTE Immersion Blender. Now, if the Hamilton Beach feels too basic, this OVENTE Immersion Hand Blender takes a completely different approach. Priced at just $12.12, it's not technically a hand mixer, but hear me out, it's a handheld stick blender with 300 watts of power and stainless steel blades. If you want one tool that can puree soups, blend smoothies, and even whip cream, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Immersion blenders let you mix directly in the pot or bowl, saving you cleanup time and reducing the number of dishes. The 2-speed control is simple but effective, low for thick batters, high for silky sauces or baby food, and at just over a foot long, it's easy to store. With 6,000 plus sold last month, it's a favorite for small kitchens and quick meals. Now, some people complain that it doesn't come with whisk attachments, so it can't beat egg whites or make fluffy frosting like a traditional hand mixer. Here's the thing though, if you're okay using a separate whisk or stand mixer for those tasks, this thing shines for everything else. It's not a full replacement, but it's a fantastic complement. This is perfect for you if you value space-saving tools and do more blending than baking. Skip this one if you're all about cakes and cookies, you'll still need a traditional mixer. But for versatility on a budget, it's a steal. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious home bakers. This Hamilton Beach 6-Speed electric hand mixer with dough hook steps up the game at $38.45. It has a stronger 275-watt motor and includes dough hooks, something the basic model lacks. If you want to knead pizza dough or mix thick bread without upgrading to a stand mixer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extra power and included dough hooks mean you can handle heavier mixes without straining the motor. The easy clean beaters are a nice touch. They're designed to reduce clogging so you spend less time scrubbing. And like the basic model, it has the snap-on storage case and bowl rest feature, which keeps things tidy. With only 1,000 plus sold, it's less popular, but that's likely because people don't realize it exists. Now, some people complain that the dough hooks are a bit narrow, so they don't incorporate ingredients as evenly as pricier models. Here's the thing though, for occasional bread or pizza dough, they work just fine. You might need to stop and scrape the bowl once, but that's normal even with high-end mixers. This is perfect for you if you bake weekly and want a little more power and versatility. Skip this one if you only make light batters, you don't need the extra muscle. But for the price, it's one of the best mid-tier options out there. Product number 4, 5-speed portable mixer. Now, if the Hamilton Beach Pro feels too bulky, this 5-speed portable kitchen mixer offers a minimalist alternative at just $14.99. It's lightweight, comes with 5 stainless steel accessories, and has a clean ivory finish. If you want something simple, affordable, and easy to store, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5 speeds are well spaced, giving you enough control for everything from pancake batter to whipped cream. The stainless steel beaters and whisk are durable and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. And at under 2 pounds, it's one of the lightest mixers I've tested, great if you have weak wrists or arthritis. With 1,000 plus sold, it's a quiet favorite for small households. Now some people complain that the motor struggles with thick mixtures and can get warm after a few minutes. Here's the thing though, if you're not overloading it and take short breaks, it handles everyday tasks just fine. It's not built for marathon baking sessions, but for quick jobs, it's surprisingly capable. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or only bake once in a while. Skip this one if you're making large batches or heavy doughs regularly, but for light use, it's a great little helper. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Professional. Finally, if you're ready to invest in something built to last, this Hamilton Beach Professional 5-speed electric hand mixer at $48.45 is the top-tier choice. It features stainless steel twisted wire beaters, a powerful motor, and a sleek mint design. If you want a mixer that feels premium and performs like one, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The twisted wire beaters mix more efficiently than traditional flat ones, incorporating air better for fluffier results. The quick burst button gives you instant high power when you need it, perfect for breaking up lumps or finishing a stiff whip. And the snap-on storage keeps everything organized. It's designed for frequent use, and you can feel the difference in weight and stability. Now some people complain that it's heavier than cheaper models, which can make long mixing sessions tiring. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability and reduces vibration, so it's a trade-off for better performance. If you're mixing for 10 minutes straight, yes, your arm might feel it, but the results speak for themselves. This is perfect for you if you bake often and want a mixer that won't quit. Skip this one if you only need something occasional or have limited strength. But for serious home bakers, this is the one to get. So which one should you get? The Hamilton Beach Basic is great for light use. The OVENTE is a budget multitasker. The Hamilton Beach Pro adds dough power. The 5-speed portable is perfect for small spaces. And the Hamilton Beach Professional is the long-term winner. Pick based on how you bake, not just the price tag.